how to use the vignette filter in Affinity Photo. You can see you can change exposure, you can change the hardness, scale, as well as shape. So where is it? Simply go over to Filters, Colors, and go to Vignette. You can change exposure, make it black by just going to -4. You can also go in between all the way to 4, which is the max, and you get a white edge around there. Also, you can modify the hardness, so you can make it nice and blurry, or just go to hardness 100% and you end up with a very sharp edge around there. You can also modify the scale, so you can just quickly go there, make it very, very small, actually go all the way, remove it completely, or go the other way. Unfortunately, you can't reposition the actual center of the vignette effect, unfortunately. Would be nice. However, also you can modify the shape, so you can change that from circular to more elliptical. You can do that. Unfortunately, you can't rotate it, which would be nice. Also, you can, of course, do it in combination, so you can modify those as well as scale, shape, and so on and so on. Once you're happy with your vignette, click apply, and you've got your nice black design around there and the central image being shown. What you can also do, you can apply the filter multiple times. Change the settings, so filters, and go with colors and vignette. Maybe go for exposure the other way. So you can end up with black edge there and a white edge around there. So you can combine that. But what you can also do, you can use filters and repeat. If you want to do, apply it a couple of times and see what happens. You end up with, instead of just a faded black, you end up with virtually black all the way around. Or you can do the same with the white option as well. What you can also do is you can apply the effect, so repeat vignette, and you can fade it. So you can go to layer and fade vignette. So instead of having it full on black around the edge, you can just fade it. Maybe make it just slightly black just by setting it to about 50%. Also, you can go through the blend modes and say, let's go for add instead. So you can just see, you can vary that, click apply, and you've got your design there. So you can create all kinds of different vignettes. Hope you found this of interest. Bye.